What's good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today we are inside of the Tropicana Casino inside of Laughlin, Nevada, and we will be checking out their Casino Tower Standard room. Also, they have two towers here. I previously did a room tour for the Promenade Tower, which is the one that's right next to the pool. This one is connected to the front door, like closest to the front door of the casino. So it's kind of far away from the pool, but I'll have that linked in here as well, somewhere in this video. I'll have it linked and in the bio. And I've also done a casino tour for this casino, so I'll have that linked as well. But it's literally a walkthrough because some of the casinos that I've tried to film here in Laughlin are really strict and others are super lenient. And I didn't know how this would flow out, so I literally just did a walkthrough. So bear with me, but yeah, I'll have both of those videos linked below and above. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so as soon as you walk in, on the right, you're greeted by the ironing board and a nice little closet space where you can put either your luggage on top or you can hang up some clothes. And then immediately to your left, you have the bathroom, and it's one sink, but it has a lot of counter space. They provide you 2 waters for every day that you stay here, so that's really neat. You also have a painting here in the toilet, and then there's a cubby here for extra toilet paper, which I think is really cool that they have like an actual cubby for it. Same goes for the towels, and then you have a hair dryer attached to the wall. And then if we close this door here, this is the shower. And the cool thing about this shower is, even though it's not like an adjustable shower head or anything like that, is that there's actually a little indention right there for your soap, and then a seat so you can sit down while you're showering. So that's always really neat. And then if we leave, oh, and there's a hook on the back of the door for your towels or anything else you need to hang up. And then if we leave the bathroom and come out, you're greeted by a full-length mirror, though it's guarded by, or blocked I should say, by a bench. And then this is all of our luggage, but you have a trash can that also comes with the room, and then the bench. And you have a TV. It's 2 queen-size beds right here. And this one actually has like a nice little walking area, and like you can actually fit comfortably. You also have a nightstand with a phone, pen and paper. Is there anything in here? It says, oh, okay, the Bible. I got confused because it said placed by the Gideons. That one's empty. This one's empty. Okay. And then you also have 2 chairs and a table with a coffee pot, which is cool because I don't think there was a coffee pot last time I was here. This is the AC unit. This is the view, and the cool thing about the view is that it's the Colorado Bell, and then over here is part of the Colorado River. So this view is definitely better than what I've had previous. So basically, if you don't know, like across the way in the back where you see all of like the houses on the mountains and stuff, that's Arizona. So that's really cool. I like it a lot. This view is nice. And then if we check out this area over here, it has 3 drawers. Are all these drawers empty? Let's see, empty, empty, and then I assume empty? Yeah, empty. But what's cool is this cabinet stores not only a shelf where you can put like your like pantry items, so like we brought these snacks, but it also has a mini fridge that comes empty, and then you can store it with whatever food or drink that you want. But I think this is cool because I've stayed here before, and the last room I stayed at didn't have a mini fridge in it. So that's cool. And yeah, that's the room. Hold on. Also, the only thing that sucks is like this doesn't necessarily close correctly all the way. Even when you like do close it, it kind of snaps out of it. But this is also an older casino and hotel room, so, but this is like a full 360 for you. I only opened up 1 shutter. But yeah, overall it's a really nice room. I like it. If you guys like this tour, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed here or anywhere in Laughlin, and be sure to smash that subscribe button down there where I add it. Toodles!